from the national capital itself in connection to the Aam Aadmi Party. Ahead of the Delhi polls, Ministry of Home Affairs has given its nod to prosecute Manish Sisodia. Now, Union Home Ministry has granted permission to the Enforcement Directorate to prosecute former Delhi Chief Minister Manish Sisodia under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act for alleged money laundering connected to the Delhi liquor policy scam. Now, this information is coming from sources. Trouble now mounting for Manish Sisodia, the former Delhi Chief Minister. Let's go back to Piyush on this. In fact, I'm also going to be joined in by my colleague Shivangi Shukla from the newsroom. They will brief us with more updates on this. What we are picking up as of now is it seems like the trouble seems to be mounting for Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. For Kejriwal, as he has now received threats to his life from Khalistani supporters, and for Manish Sisodia because the Union Home Ministry has now granted permission to the Enforcement Directorate to prosecute him under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act for laundering connecting to the Delhi liquor policy scam. Now, let's remind you viewers, this is coming as the Delhi High Court has also pulled up the Delhi government for not tabling the CAG report on the liquor policy scam that has been doing the rounds on various media reports. Republic also brought you inputs on how the liquor scam caused a loss to the exchequer amounting to over rupees 2,000 crore. Let's go to Shivangi now, who's joining us from the Republic newsroom. Shivangi, what more information are you picking up in connection to Manish Sisodia and the Home Ministry's nod to prosecute him by the Enforcement Directorate?
Yes, well, this is a very big breaking update coming in right now, and remember, this is not too far away from the Delhi Assembly poll. So this action which has been taken by the MHA, and the MHA has given the note to the ED to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal and his former deputy Manish Sisodia. So we see both are going to get prosecuted now, and not just that, it is under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act in the excise policy case. This is the now scrapped Delhi liquor policy case, which really made the headlines, put a lot of Aam Aadmi Party leaders under the scanner. In some cases, even made them do jail time, including the former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. It's a very big story coming in right now. I will also take our viewers through what happened. This approval came a month after Delhi Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena recommended that ED be granted sanction to prosecute Kejriwal in the excise policy case. So back-to-back updates coming in right now. Already we see that Kejriwal has been granted bail by the Supreme Court last year in separate cases filed by ED and the CBI, and he has been preparing for these Delhi elections. And in the midst of all this, Kriti, this is coming as a big setback to the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia.
Let's also go to Piyush Shivangi. He continues to stay with us live from New Delhi. Piyush, the timing of the Home Ministry's nod to the Enforcement Directorate is also very critical, given it's just weeks to the elections in the national capital. How is this going to impact the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the polls?
Three important points, Kriti. First, leaving the election aside, there has to be a formal procedure that has to be put in place. And yes, after the direction by the Lieutenant Governor, it was up to the Ministry of Home Affairs to give sanction to Enforcement Directorate to go ahead and prosecute not only Arvind Kejriwal, which, mind you, the Enforcement Directorate in the court had mentioned was the kingpin of the entire liquor scam, but also his accomplice Manish Sisodia. So yes, in a way, one can say that now trouble does seem to mount for not only Arvind Kejriwal, but also
कोर्ट ने कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के पास कोई प्रमाण नहीं है, और ये सब आपने कर लिया बिना परमिशन के। आप अब 2 साल बाद नवंबर 2022 में जो केस शुरू हुआ, उनको जेल कर दिया आपने। 2 साल बाद आप कह रहे हो सैंक्शन टू प्रोसिक्यूट अब दे रहे हैं। कितना दुरुपयोग है देखिए। और ये सब तब जब चुनाव सर पे आ गए। तो इनका वही घिसा पिटा पैटर्न है। झूठे केस लगाओ, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को बदनाम करो, पर जनता अब सब समझ चुकी है।
आगे क्या इस मामले में आप लोग देख रहे हैं, कानूनी राह या जो भी है?
देखिए, वो एक बार सारे कागजात सामने होंगे तब इस पे टिप्पणी करना बेहतर होगा। पर आप इसको देखिए ना कि ये नवंबर 2022 से क्या कर रहे थे, फिर हमारे नेताओं को जेल में डाल रहे थे, हमें बेल मिल गई, पता चल गया कोई प्रमाण नहीं हमारे अगेंस्ट, और उसके बाद अब सैंक्शन दे रहे हैं। कैसे दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं एजेंसीज का, ये सबके सामने है।
आपने कहा जवाब में कि चुनाव सर पे है, आपको लगता है कि इसे चुनाव से जुड़कर देखा जाए कि चुनाव?
देखिए, इनका घिसा पिटा पैटर्न रहा है। इनके पास, इनको अपनी हार दिल्ली में डेफिनेट दिख रही है। इनके पास दिल्ली के लिए कोई 70 कैंडिडेट नहीं है, दिल्ली के लिए कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, दिल्ली का कोई चीफ मिनिस्टीरियल कैंडिडेट नहीं है। एक थे जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने उनको डिबेट के लिए चैलेंज कर दिया तो रमेश भिदुड़ी ने भी विड्रॉ कर दिया। अब ये बिन धुले की बारात क्या करे।
आज आपने कहा कि कैंडिडेट ने अरविंद केजरीवाल आज नॉमिनेशन फाइल कर दिए, जो पार्टी की तरफ से हमें खबर मिली, महिलाओं के साथ जाएंगे। क्या ये दिखाने की कोशिश है कि महिलाओं के लिए जो आपने वादे किए हैं उससे जनता जुड़ रही?
देखिए, लगभग 90% जनता हमारे साथ है, तभी हम एक प्रचंड बहुमत से हर बार जीते हैं। और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने हमेशा महिलाओं को हमेशा इक्वल माना। आप देखिए कितनी सारी जन कल्याण सेवाएं स्पेशली वुमेन के लिए की, फ्री बस यात्रा महिलाओं के लिए है, फ्री बिजली का बिल, फ्री पानी, फ्री बच्चों की शिक्षा, फ्री बुजुर्गों का स्वास्थ्य। तो ये सब उन्होंने हमेशा महिलाओं को केंद्रित रख के किया है। वो हमेशा सबको इक्वल पार्टिसिपेंट मानते हैं महिलाओं को। और अब आगे वाले समय में हमारी प्रॉमिस है कि हम 2100 रुपया प्रति महिला प्रति महीना भी देंगे। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की गारंटी है ये। दिल्ली की जनता, दिल्ली की।
And viewers, I want to come back to you, Piyush, on this. That was the Aam Aadmi Party issuing a statement on the development coming in. The Union Home Ministry is not to prosecute Manish Sisodia. They have, of course, questioned the timing of this. Union Home Ministry is not saying why is this approval coming now, just ahead of the election, 2 years after the case has been filed, and when the courts have said that there is no clear evidence against them in the liquor policy case. You were taking us through 3 crucial points. Continue on that, please.